All style united in one. Bass Merakis.
This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta-ta. DJ Spillis, we be the realest team on the billis. Watch out, I kill it, watch out, I spit it on the mic, feel it. Y'all can't do what I do, just admit it. I'm about to get it, money, money, get it. Drop it to the floor, shake my big bitties, bopping like did it. My face look pretty, y'all ain't doing shit new, I done did it. Cause I'm marvelous, fantabulous, a bad chick. The flow sick like oh shit, you know this, I'm too fit to ever quit. Knocking these fools out like pool sticks. I do this, I move this, I prove this. Bars be hard like a pound of bricks. It go up, jumps the boogie to the bang bang high. It's the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta-ta-ta.
It's the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta.
This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. It's the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Square rigs.
It's Missy E and DJ Skrillex. Yeah, this shit so hot you with it. Yeah.
Warning.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top-notch hoes, get the most, not the lesser. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that powder you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I'm bumping Project Petter. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. Fuck the laws, loyal with me, we ain't got a cow.
कौन बोला मुझसे ना हो पाएगा? कौन बोला? कौन बोला? अपना टाइम आएगा, उठ जा अपनी राख से, तू उड़ जा अब तलाश में। परवाज़ देख परवाने की, आसमां भी सर उठाएगा। आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा। ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा। जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा। ऐसा मेरा ख्वाब है जो डर को भी सताएगा। जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दफनाएगा? अब हौसले से जीने दे, अब खौफ नहीं है सीने में। हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे, हम कामयाबी छीनेंगे। सब कुछ मिला पसीने से, मतलब बना अब जीने में। क्यों? क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा। तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा?